Welcome back to our channel, and today we are continuing our topic of what is inside of an atom, class 9 chemistry. Okay, we are in the part 2 of this lesson, and now we will discuss about John Dalton. Merits already we discussed, and now discussing about drawbacks. So drawbacks means that statements he was not completed, means he not said that the truths about the atoms, some truths about the atoms, and the statements he not completed in his experiments. Okay, he not discovered in his experiments. Okay, now we will discuss about the drawbacks. Okay, let us see our first drawback. So atom can be divided into some charges. We all know about that charges. One is negative charge and one is positive charge, and the third one is no charge. There are three charges, the three subatomic particles present in the atom. This John Dalton cannot invented or cannot be discovered in his experiments. Okay, an atom contains electron, proton and neutron. This is our first drawback we found in John Dalton experiments. And let us discuss our next drawback, nucleus. So we all know that an atom contains nucleus. So he said that nucleus reaction atoms either created as well as destroyed. Once again, nucleus reaction atoms either created as well as destroyed. Okay, in that nucleus reactions, the atoms will be created or neither destroyed. Okay, the drawback he cannot invented in his experiment. Nucleus reaction atoms cannot either created or destroyed. This is our second drawback we found in John Dalton experiments. Now, after discovery of isotopes, atoms have different properties. So about isotopes he did not mention in his experiments. Now we will discuss what is an isotope. An atom of same elements having same atomic number. So we know that atomic number and atoms, same atoms. Let us take example of oxygen. Let us take 3 oxygens, same element having same atomic number. Okay, same atomic number 6. Okay, atomic number of oxygen is 8, and an atom of same element having same atomic number but contains different mass number, means 16, 17, 18 we take. We have same element and same atomic number but contains different mass number. These are called isotopes. And about isotopes he did not mention in his experiments. Okay. And after discovery of isobars, different atoms have same properties. And because he did not mention about isobars too. So isobars means an atom of different element having different atomic number but having same mass number. Now let us see the example of isobars. Now take oxygen, nitrogen and helium. We have 3 different elements, S or S, and different atomic numbers, means now we have 872 means different atomic numbers but having same mass number. Means let us take mass numbers as 16, 16, 16. Having same mass numbers but having different atomic numbers and different elements. These are called isobars and having some properties. And these are the drawbacks that we can found in John Dalton. First drawback is an atom contains electron, proton and neutron. He not discovered in his experiments electron, proton, neutron, nucleus reaction atoms either created or destroyed. That is also he not proved in his experiments. And about isotopes and isobars. Now let us see our fundamental particles present in atom are called subatomic particles. We discussed about electron, proton, neutron. Let's discuss briefly about the three subatomic particles. Okay. Subatomic particles means we have three subatomic particles present in an atom, or we call as fundamental particles. The first subatomic particle is electron, proton, and the last one neutron. Okay, these three are the three subatomic particles present in the atom. Now let us discuss about the first subatomic particle is electron. Electron. First of all, who discovered this electron? Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Okay, electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. This is the first point. J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Okay, J.J. Thomson discovered electron. And how he discovered electrons? Electron was denoted by how he discovered in this after J.J. Thomson atomic model. We will learn how he discovered and so on, and in which letter electron was denoted. And let us see that electron was denoted by E minus, because electron having negative charges, so it is denoted by E minus. And now we will see the third function, the third property of electron. So third property is nothing but electron having negative charge. Okay, electrons having negative charge. Okay, electrons having negative charge. And let us discuss our fourth point, the charge of electron. This is very very important, the charge of electrons. Okay, let us discuss about the charge of electron. Okay, now we will see about the charge of electrons. Charge of electrons is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electrons. So this is the charge of electron. Okay, now we will see the mass of electrons in kgs. The mass of electron in kg, 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Okay, 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. In kgs, in grams separate is there. Mass of electrons in kg. Okay, the mass of electrons in kg is 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Now we will see the mass of electrons in grams. Okay, please note all the points in your notebook. Okay, mass of electrons in grams is equal to, now we will see the mass of electrons in grams, 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 28 kg. Grams, of grams. This is the mass of electrons in grams. And now we will see the mass of electron in atomic mass unit, AMU, also we call AMU. Okay. Mass of electron in AMU means atomic mass unit. Is equal to, so what is the mass of electrons in atomic mass unit? 0.0 means 0.00054 atomic mass units. Okay, 0.00054 atomic mass units. Okay friends, and now we will discuss the relative charge. Okay, the relative charge of electron. So relative charge means electron means negative charge and the relative charge means minus 1. Okay, and the relative charge is minus 1. So the relative charge of electron is minus 1. Okay, so these are some important properties and important functions we can see in these electrons. Okay, so in which experiment J.J. Thomson discovered means, so he was discovered by taken cathode ray experiment. He was discovered by taken cathode ray experiment. That experiment we will explain in J.J. Thomson atomic model. So cathode ray experiment. Okay, cathode ray experiment, and these are the important functions and points in electrons. Tomorrow in the next part 3 video we will discuss about the other important functions of this proton and neutron. Okay, bye friends, and if you like this video press like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are not till yet subscribed our channel, and if you like to share this video please share to your family members and friends. And okay friends, thanks for watching and see you in the next class. Don't miss the upcoming parts of this lesson. This is very important lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.